Hi, Victor here. Today I'm going to tell you how to prevent abrupt turning during your lane change for your test. The reason why students lane change abruptly during the lane changing is because they are still looking at the side mirror while changing lane. In fact, most of the students did not realize that they are turning the steering wheel too much. So, what is the reason why students keep looking at the mirrors while lane changing? The reason is no confidence. Let me tell you a scenario. Imagine yourself making a lane change to the left, and you saw car B is quite a distance and traveling speed is constant. While you continue looking at the left mirror, you decided to lane change, but halfway in the middle of the lane, you saw car B speeding up and almost hitting you. I have three options for you to choose. Number 1. Steer back your car to the right lane. Number 2. Slow down your vehicle. Number 3. Speed up and go faster. What is your choice? If your answer is 3, you are absolutely right. Since your answer is to go faster, then what's the point of looking at the side mirror while changing lane? So, what must you do? After you decided to lane change, you should look at the lane in front rather than looking at the side mirror. Accelerate, then tilt the steering wheel slightly and react accordingly to the traffic in front. Follow this procedure and you will find yourself not turning the steering wheel so abruptly. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.